No kneading, no rolling you can still make delicious Chinese fried buns. And it's super easy. 320 grams of ground pork. Take half the ground pork and put it in a pan. Stir fry until the pork turns color. Add cooking wine, then salt, chicken powder, 13 spice seasoning, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sweet bean paste. Stir fry until the aroma is rich, then scoop it out and mix it into the remaining raw ground pork. Add ginger-scallion water and stir in one direction until the meat fully absorbs the liquid. Pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes to make wrapping easier. All-purpose flour, dry yeast, warm water, sugar. Stir in one direction with chopsticks until there are no dry lumps left. Let it rise until doubled in size. Take the frozen filling, add 30 grams chopped scallions, and mix well. For the risen dough, stir a few times with chopsticks to release air. Sprinkle a little dry flour on top. Pinch off small pieces of dough. Shape them into wrappers. Fill with the pork mixture and seal them up however you like. Just make sure no filling leaks out. Place the wrapped buns directly in a greased pan. Then fry over medium-low heat. Mix cornstarch with water. Pour it into the pan. Cover and simmer until the liquid dries up and a golden, crispy crust forms on the bottom. Sprinkle with chopped scallions and black sesame seeds. These fragrant buns are done crispy, fluffy, and so tasty. Leftover buns can be frozen. Just steam or fry when ready to eat.